How to use lip sync in Higgsfield's AI. So for that, you'll have to Google search for Higgsfield AI, Higgsfields.ai. So and from there, what you'll have to do is simply go ahead and log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, what you'll have to do is you'll hidden towards the video section. And from the video section, what you'll do is simply press on Lip Sync Studio, which will direct to a page that will look somewhat like this. So here we've selected a video to generate, and it will be lip syncing our text in the video. So for that, what you can say, it will ask you what should the character say, and then in the generate audio, so you can also add your audio in order to make the character say whatever you want. So you can simply type anything that you want to make the character lip sync. So if I want to generate it, so you'll simply press on generate and then it will generate after it processes. So I've selected a limited text, so it might like process on, it might be a bit problematic, but once it's generated with large text, it will be able to like generate a good lip sync video for you. So you'll wait till it generates, and then once it generates, then it will speak and lip sync the text whatever you have texted. So hopefully the information was helpful. Thank you.